What if I told you I could tell you the one secret it takes to grow your channel? Whether you have a channel with 0 subs, 100 subs, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, a million. This one secret will guarantee grow your channel no matter what. Are you ready to hear about it? Let's dive right in. Aloha, I'm Doc Rock. If you're new around here, I am here to help you get your YouTube channel growth on and get much better at live video. Today, we're talking about the one and only secret it takes to actually grow a channel. Now, there's myriad things that you can tweak, analytics, thumbnails, all of the above, but foundationally, what you need to know is how to tell a good story. We talked about that previously. I'll put the link up there. And you need to know how to solve problems. What are you providing your viewers that is making their day better, making their life better, making their problems go away? If you can solve their problems, they will be your viewers, sometimes for life. Zig Ziglar, one of the greatest sales trainers ever, once said, "You can get whatever you want by helping as many people get whatever it is that they want." That is what we mean by solving people's problems. When Steve Jobs released the iPhone, he came out and stated that smartphones sucked, period. He goes, they're trying to do this, but they can't. They try to do that, but they can't. But smartphones aren't that smart. That was the problem. He said, we're going to solve the problem by introducing the iPhone. And here we are, 12 versions of the iPhone later, and obviously he was on point and he's solving problems for people. Now, yes, I know there's Android and other brands, but that's irrelevant. The point was taking phones from where they were into where phones are now. He solved a great problem. When I was going to say because I used to work at Apple, when the Mac was invented, he was solving the problems of computers being too complicated. When the Tesla was invented, he was solving the problem of someone who was, say, conscious of the earth, wanting to be able to get their transportation on, but didn't want to provide any extra addition to greenhouse gases. Again, solving problems. You look at all the greatest things in the world, the highest selling things in the world, the greatest movies, books, stories, whatever, and they're all about solving problems. So what exact value are you giving to your viewers that's going to make them subscribe and keep coming back? I speak from experience. In the beginning, my channel was random all over the place, whatever I wanted to do. And then I decided to concentrate on live video, live streaming, and YouTube growth. And once I have a very specific topic, and I am now helping the people that are in my group, Let's Get Live, which you can find at docrock.live/group, helping people get their live stream together, helping people get their channel together. My channel has exploded. I am gaining more subscribers in a week than I used to gain in a year. My people will tell you they're very happy at what they're learning because I am solving their problems. Here's how you know when you're solving problems. When you look into your comments and someone says to you, oh my goodness, I was racking my brain senseless trying to figure this out. I watched a bunch of tutorials and then I found you. I am so happy you now have a subscriber. That's when you know you are solving problems. So before you start the video, ask yourself, what problem am I trying to solve? This video was trying to make sure you just don't throw videos into the sky without a purpose. I want you to come in with intentionality and try to solve someone's problem. And that, my friends, will get you where you want to be on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss another video coming up. I have lots of training, live streams, and tutorials planned for the new year. So make sure you subscribe and press that notification bell so you don't miss out. Now watch the video that's coming on screen next.